Where should the fat go? Where should the muscle go? Where should the bones go? In this video, you are going to learn with me how to draw different body types, masculine, oh yeah, the skinny one, the fat one, the muscular one. Let's go! Woo! This is the first part on our series because we cannot do this tutorial on like one video. We are going to do a series on drawing the full male body and then the full female body. All types that you guys suggest me, all of them that you suggest, I'm going to draw this. We are going to start with the skinny guy. There are 3 things that we must always keep in our minds. First one, bones. Do you see here? Here, bone. You do this, ow! Bones are strong. Second one, it's fat. There's muscles here, but there is fat too. And then we need to talk about a muscle. No, I'm not going to show on screen. Just imagine yourself doing it really strong. Why it's so important to understand bones, fat, and muscles? Because depending on the amount that you have of each one is going to totally change the body type. Now seeing this, we can see mainly what on him? A small amount of fat, a small amount of muscle, but the muscle appears more than the fat. It's a skinny guy. What we do? Skinny, everything smaller, and with less curvatures, just like we saw here. Do you notice here that like how we can see well veins and everything of his neck? Here we are not able to see, even if it was here, we cannot see it. And here's like a middle term. You can see here normal slim people, you can see a lot of bones. You can see a lot of their bones. And the muscles, they are never that gigantic. Only if it's a bodybuilder or something like that. But you can see everything here, slim. You can see rib cage, you can see everything. Remember, do everything like stretched when it's a lean person. Do you see me doing lines like this? Like stretched? Because when you are doing more on a fat person or a muscular person, you are going to do more what lines? This. This is the type of line that you do in the belly, mainly on muscular and fat person, but on skinny person, you tend to do the opposite. All like this. I'm going here on filter, liquify, and I'm just going to put the shoulders more together. Yep. When people are going to do the skinny guy, they do like all the rib cage, like all of the rib cage, and it starts looking like a zombie. No, let me show you here, like all of the rib cage, and it looks like this person have not eaten in I don't know how long, and it makes me start questioning stuff, and I'm like, hey bro, are you okay? So remember, not too strong. If you're going to make a really strong line art in places that should not be that strong, it's going to totally change the way that your drawing is going to look. And you can always just take out lower eraser, take out the sketch lines that you did here in the muscles and everything. If you want to look even more lean. You can see, guys, like here, big tip. When there's the rib cage, it's like holding it to not get too slim. But when the rib cage ends, slim point, okay? Focus like here, slim point. Right now, we are passing to people with more fat, not too much bones appearing, not too much muscle appearing. When there's fat and there's gravity, fat goes down, okay? Down. So it's like there is something there and it's going to fall down. Remember, don't do the fats by some way floating. I don't know how you do that. I don't know. I see people do fat, don't float, guys. Only some reason it's fat with muscular, because the muscle is there to stand it, make it go up. In this one, we can see a lot of rib cage. In this one, we cannot see a lot of rib cage. But we can still see like it just making the format, you know? It's not like random accumulation of fat here. It's like following the rib cage. this time these lines are not the rib cage. Remember, they are not the rib cage. They are like the fat following the movement of the rib cage. The fat's following, it's truly following the movement. First things first, what we see here, low fat, muscles appear, but not that much, not as much as the skinny. They do appear, you can see here, they do appear, you can see here, but there's like armor around it, thick armor, that I love it. It's the muscular one! It's the muscular one. Ooh, wow. All bending points. So many bricky. He's bricky, guys. He's rock. He's bricky. He's a rock. He got a lot of bending points. In those bending points, you're gonna understand that each muscle here got a name. Maybe you don't need to know the name, but you need to understand the position where it is and what the frick it's doing. If you understand how they connect, how they are helping each other on your movements, on your daily life, it's going to be so easy just to draw like, yo, it's obvious there's a chest here, because without chest, when it's bricky, it's not falling down. It tends to keep on the place, but gets volume. You can see the difference here. Here, you can see the lines of falling down. Here, it's not falling down. Here is lifted. That friend that loves drawing Zibara, that loves drawing muscular people, that of course not me, and just loves so much muscles, I don't know why. Call this person to watch this tutorial. You know they need some help. You know they did this muscle like a little bit crazy. They did this muscle not working very well. Call them to watch the stream right now. This is a free stream. This is an opportunity. I'm going to take out all the questions that you guys ask me. I'm going to just reply to all of them. You guys like, Gabs, I don't understand why you did the shoulder like this. Tell me and I'll reply to it. can make the lines pretty strong. Different from the skinny guy that on the belly, you do the lines like very soft of the muscles. Here you can go like, hey yo, you're Goku! Bones dictate the direction of the muscle. As an example, there is the shoulder here and it's going all down to the arm. The muscle fibers are going out following this direction. Other thing, let's say about the pectoral area. There is the rib cage going here. It's almost following perfectly the format of the rib cage. It's so beautiful, like it's so beautiful how the body, everything goes well so much together. Everything, every little part of it. Not only these tutorials, but we are going to do a full series on the male body, just types, all the 3 types, on legs, also on arms, also on everything that you guys want to see. So why not subscribe into our YouTube channel, or check out our game road, or check out our Patreon, or check out our free Discord channel. Why not you help a friend that needs this content? Why don't you help someone that is desperate to get a good content on the internet and learn more? Share our content with that friend. Why not? What you got to lose, huh, champ? What? So, champ, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.